We want justice. Justice for let Sumila Ronghangpi. The pussy the reckless in the run.
We want justice for Sumila. Admitted from Russia.
Deep head lama saving who deep head hang on ne sar lang on ne jar thing on ne japa dog on ne iri king nang cock head e pan ke vi maran mar.
We want justice for Sumila. Support from Philippines.
Bro la puson pon nang bom la puson ki sung pon nang bom la puson to mon nang paja bom Karbi kai Karbi mai ardi nang pave jakong nang pave e ke hu tum at iri seg tum at e bing at man that lonely amurti so neli bong nang ni bong la in li ka ching hon na bo ki sung nang do no on je rap take ching hon take je rap take ching hon take a son te pini bong sa ti nang ne bong sa tam me ke du ki sung sai se a jo ne chi I a long me rang a.
Hello guys, my name is and I'm a Tibetan. I'm here to support Sumila, who is 12 years old and raped and killed by her employer. We want justice for Sumila and her family. Please support by taking these hashtags and to share with your friends.
Nang lu bong nang sing me, chapati nang lu bong nang sing me. Nang raji ka me, nang kalangon ne join ne, nang ka take re, nang kalangon ne join ne. Chi nang lu so fear te, hema so rong so ra tu man ta me, nang lu me chabang lo te bi so re ka me, nang take kun po si nang cho hong prong nang pan kai ke, bot ta me ning tu me chiru me nang raji ka me per he ke klaji pu ke, pini hi lang lu pa ve deadline nang te bot ta me ni tum jo je sang jo je lang ding te, nang keng pa ka room si do nang ji hi lang nu wa tum ke, nang ke pu nang
right now. Because I want justice for Sumila. I see a lot of you typing rest in peace Sumila. She can't rest in peace without justice. She won't rest in peace until justice is served. She will not rest in peace. She was way too young, too young. I don't know. I'm going to put it in the description. Go search this story.
We want justice. Justice for let Sumila Ronghangpi. Rest in peace.